The high-flying dragon. Introducing China's WZ-7, a marvel of modern aviation technology. China's Guizhou WZ-7 soaring dragon is no ordinary aircraft. It's a sophisticated piece of engineering designed for the skies. This high-altitude, long-endurance drone is a game-changer in aerial surveillance and reconnaissance. Imagine a plane that can stay aloft for days, peering deep into enemy territory, gathering crucial intelligence. That's the WZ-7 in a nutshell, a sentinel in the sky. Designed for reconnaissance and surveillance, it's essentially a flying pair of binoculars, but with a lot more tech crammed in, including advanced sensors and communication systems. This isn't just about spying on neighbors, though. It's about maintaining a strategic advantage. The WZ-7 is a key part of China's anti-access area denial strategy, a crucial element in its defense doctrine. Think of it as a shield, pushing potential threats further away from China's shores, ensuring a buffer zone. Its long reach allows it to monitor vast areas, including the Indian Ocean, a region of strategic importance. This naturally raises eyebrows in New Delhi, where India keeps a watchful eye on its northern neighbors' activities. The WZ-7 isn't just a technological marvel, it's a strategic asset with significant implications for regional security and power dynamics. The WZ-7's arrival isn't exactly a surprise, given China's rapid advancements in drone technology. China has been steadily building up its drone capabilities, and this is the latest feather in its cap, showcasing its technological prowess. The big question is, how effective will it be in a real-world scenario, where conditions are unpredictable and stakes are high? And more importantly, how will India, with its own formidable defenses and strategic interests, respond to this new player in the skies? The unfolding dynamics will be crucial to watch. Holding. Eyes in the sky. Unveiling the WZ-7's ISR prowess. The WZ-7's strength lies in its advanced intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities, often referred to as ISR. Imagine a giant, flying radar dish, but much stealthier and more sophisticated. That's basically what the WZ-7 is, thanks to its powerful active electronically scanned array radar, or AESA radar. This radar is a game-changer in modern aerial surveillance. It can detect and track multiple targets simultaneously, even at long ranges. But wait, there's more to its capabilities. The WZ-7 can also carry a suite of other sensors, including electro-optical and infrared systems, enhancing its versatility. This allows it to see through clouds and operate at night, making it a 24/7 surveillance platform regardless of weather conditions. Need to track a moving target, like a ship or even a stealth aircraft? The WZ-7 excels at this task. The WZ-7 can do that too, with remarkable precision. It's the ultimate peeping Tom, but with cutting-edge military-grade technology. This advanced ISR capability gives China a significant advantage in situational awareness and strategic planning. Imagine being able to see your opponent's every move even before they make it, providing a crucial tactical edge. That's the kind of edge the WZ-7 provides, making it an invaluable asset. It's like having a chessboard where you can see all the pieces while your opponent stumbles around in the dark, completely unaware. India's defensive arsenal, a dragon's not-so-easy meal. Now, let's talk about India's defenses and how they are meticulously crafted. India isn't exactly a sitting duck in this aerial chess match. They've got their own set of moves to counter the WZ-7, making it a formidable challenge for any adversary. Think of India as a seasoned chess player, always anticipating their opponent's moves and planning several steps ahead. They have a layered air defense network, meticulously designed to intercept threats like the WZ-7 from multiple angles. Their first line of defense includes powerful fighter jets like the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, which are always on high alert. These are no ordinary jets. They're equipped with long-range air-to-air missiles, specifically designed to take down high-altitude targets with precision. Imagine a hawk swooping down on its prey. That's the kind of speed and agility these jets possess, making them a formidable force in the skies. But it's not just about brute force. Strategy plays a crucial role. India also boasts sophisticated radar systems, constantly scanning the skies for any intruders, ensuring no threat goes unnoticed. Of course, no defense is perfect, and India is well aware of this. That's why they're constantly upgrading their systems and investing in new technologies to stay ahead of potential threats. The WZ-7 might be a formidable opponent, but India is determined to stay one step ahead, showcasing their commitment to national security and technological advancement.